Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in RedNote. First of all, open the RedNote app and tap on me. And here we can see my current profile picture. Now tap on this plus icon to add your new profile picture. Here we can see total 3 different options to add a new profile picture. One is upload a profile picture from your gallery. Second is create AI avatar. And the last one is get avatar accessory. In my case, I'm selecting upload new avatar. And if you see this error message, then first of all, you have to verify your phone number in RedNote. So add your phone number and verify your phone number, and then come to this section and tap on upload new avatar, and then you will be able to easily change your profile picture. Thanks for watching.